Hi, in this video we are going to upgrade Ambari and SDF, Ambari from 2.6 to 2.7 and SDF 3.1 to 3.3. Let's get started. Let's first download the repository repo file for the Ambari. Let's verify the repository 2.7.3. Let's check the Ambari version. As you can see, the installed is 2.6.2 and the available is 2.7.3. We verified that the repository is good, so we're gonna have to download the repo on each host. This is a 3 nodes SDF cluster, so we're gonna do it in all, and we're gonna stop all the services using Ambari UI. Now we can stop Ambari agents on all hosts and then Ambari server. Alright, all the Ambari server and agents are stopped, so let's upgrade Ambari server with the yum upgrade Ambari -server command. I'm using a public repo. If you want to use the local repo, then watch another video on how to create a local repository. Now let's upgrade Ambari agent on all hosts. And depending on what you have installed, you have to upgrade those. In my case, I have to upgrade all the Ambari metrics related and then the Ambari infra solar related clients. Okay, we can upgrade the metrics monitor and metrics HADOOP sync, and then the solar client, Ambari infra solar client. If you don't have anything installed, for example Ambari metrics or Ambari infra solar, then you don't have to go through this process. You don't have to upgrade those. Let's check if there's anything left that's not upgraded. Okay, so Ambari Matrix Collector and Ambari Matrix Grafana. Let's get those upgraded. And let's download the tarball for the HDF management pack on where the Ambari server is running. We need to upgrade that management pack as well. Okay, run this command to upgrade the management pack. And let's run the Ambari server upgrade command to update the database schema. It's asking about the backup for the Ambari database. I am not doing it right now, but if you want to know or learn how to back up Ambari or Ambari database, any MySQL database, I'm going to perform that task when I do the Ranger upgrade in a later part of this video. Let's get this Ambari server started. And make sure you start the Ambari agents on each of the hosts and then log into UI and start all the services before this step. Now let's go to the versioning and register the new version, which is 3.3. That's what I'm going to do. The OS that I'm using is CentOS, so I'm going to use the repo for the Red Hat 7. That's registered. Okay, now it is registered. Let's go install packages. So you notice that the Ranger and then the NiFi, they're going to be upgraded. Installation complete. Let's check on the upgrade pre-checks, and I see 2 required changes. Okay, one is auto start enabled, and then the service check hasn't been run for Ranger and NiFi after installing new packages. Alright, let's do that. Service auto start, go to service auto start and disable auto start. Go on and Ranger, check the run the service check command. Okay, NiFi, Ranger, everything looks good so far. So let's go back to the versions and let's do pre-upgrade check again to see if there's anything. Alright, we're good. There's just one warning. It's okay. Let's click on Express and proceed. Yes. These are the same warnings that we ignored, I think. It's okay, proceed anyways. Okay, this is where I'm gonna show you how to back up the database for the Ranger. Log into the Ranger host. run the MySQL dump -u user, that's the root, -p, and then the database name is the renzer to renzer.sql file. Provide the root password for the MySQL, and there it is, the dump file. Okay, so let's go back to UI and proceed further. All right, from here on, let Ambari do its job. All right, let's finalize the upgrade. You make sure that there's no error messages on this before you hit the finalize, because once you do it, there's no coming back. Okay, so yeah, we have upgraded the HDF to 3.3.1 version. Let's try and log into NiFi UI. Okay, so there's a SSL exception with the subject alternate names not on the certificate. So previously when we used that certificate, we did not provide the service alternate name, so we're gonna have to do that again. I'm just gonna add how we add the SAN attribute when we request or when we submit for the certificate. And rest of the how to transfer those certificate and create a key store, trust store, you can check out my other video. I have a separate video on how to create a trust store and then the key store. You're just gonna have to do the key store part one more time on this with these new additional attributes for the SAN we added. Yeah, copy whatever you see on that, whatever the DN that you see on that UI, on NiFi UI, and add that as the SAN attribute here. Now download the certificate. And just push this certificate over to the NiFi host and create a key store. In a Mac, you can just simply run scp command from the terminal, and once you complete your key store creating process, then just simply go ahead and restart the NiFi. After replacing this key store file with the SAN attribute included, it should just work. It should work just fine. NiFi has been restarted. Let's check on the NiFi app log. And one other thing that on the Ranger side, if your UI once you upgrade that, you're gonna have to update the password field, because new Ranger requires the password with at least 8 characters and then one numeric with a total of 8 characters. So if you have the Ranger that had an admin password for the default password for a default admin user, you're gonna have to do that. Once you change those all the passwords, restart the Ranger and try to log in. If you can't, then you're probably gonna have to reset your browser. In the Mac, you wanna run Command, Option, and R, and then you should be able to log back in. All right, let's check NiFi. NiFi is working perfectly fine. Now I'm able to log in as a NiFi admin, which is initial admin. Now I'm gonna log in with my other regular user. Okay, all right, I'm logged in. All right, thank you for watching.